Subscribe Dr. Sadik Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Determine the charge on the capacitor at any time t greater than 0 in circuit in series having an EMF A of t that is equal to 100 sin 60t, a resistor of 2 ohms, an inductor of 0.1 Henry and capacitor of 1 by 260 Farad if the initial current and charge on the capacitor are both 0. How to find charge in the LCR circuit? Today, we discuss problems on LCR circuit. Let us see the problem. Determine the charge on the capacitor at any time t greater than 0 in circuit in series having an EMF E of t that is equal to 100 sin 60t, a resistor of 2 ohms, an inductor of 0.1 Henry and capacitor of 1 by 260 Farad if the initial current and charge on the capacitor are both 0. Okay friends, now clearly here which circuit friends here he given resistor, okay, R, inductor L, capacitor C. Clearly it is LCR circuit friends. First identify here, this is solution, this is LCR circuit. Okay, first I observe it is LCR circuit. Okay, if it is LCR circuit, what is equation? What is equation? Come on, tell me here. LCR circuit is L into d square q by dt square plus R into dq by dt plus q by c that is equal to E. This is the LCR circuit. Okay, this is the LCR circuit. So this is one. This is the LCR circuit. Now, what is given data here for that? E of t. Okay, he given E of t. So, E that is equal to, he given here 100 sin 60t. Okay, 100 sin 60t. And resistor, that means R value. R value is given, R value 2 ohms. R value is 2 ohms. Inductor L value 0.1 Henry. Okay, 0.1 simply. Capacitor is 1 by 260. C value is 1 by 260. Moreover, he given initial current and charge on the capacitor are both 0. That means here I of 0 value and that is equal to Q of 0 value or 0 friends, 0. Now you write E value here friends, E value. So L into, what is L value? 0.1. So write 0.1, okay, d square q by dt square plus R value. R value is 2 dq by dt plus 1 by c. 1 by c is 1 by 260. So it can be written as 260 into q, that is equal to, what is E? 100 sin 60t, 100 sin 60t. Okay, this is the equation. So this one also 2. Okay, 2. Now what is complete solution friends here? What is complete solution? Complete solution that is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Okay, complete solution that is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Now first I want to find complementary function. So complementary function. So in complementary function, what is first friends? Write symbolic form. Okay, symbolic form. Let us see the symbolic form here friends. 0.1 d square plus 2d plus 260. 0.1 d square plus 2d plus 260 into q, that is equal to 100 sin 60t. Okay, 100 sin 60t. Okay, this is symbolic form. Here d is, friends, d is d by dt. D is d by dt. Now second step is write auxiliary equation. What is auxiliary equation? Coefficient of q, that is equal to 0. That means here 0.1 d square plus 2d plus 260, that is equal to 0. 260, that is equal to 0. Now we have 0.1, friends. So I multiply with 10. Okay, multiply with 10, friends. Then I get here 0.1 into 10 means we get 1 d square. Okay, plus 2 into 10, 20d, plus we get 2600, that is equal to 0. Clearly we have one formula, friends. What is formula for finding roots? X is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the formula. So what is a value here? A value is 1, b value is 20, c value is 2600. Okay, so here d value, d that is equal to minus b minus 20 plus or minus square root of b square is 20 square, 400 minus 4, a value is 1. So 4 into 2600, multiply with 4, friends. This 4 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 4 6 are 24, 2, okay, 2, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, here we get 10,400, friends, divided by 2a, 2 into 1, 2, that is equal to minus 20 plus or minus 400, 10,400 minus 400, we obviously we get here minus 10,000. Okay, 10,000 by 2. Now you separate the terms here. That means this can be written as, friends, here minus 20 plus or minus square root of minus I means minus 1 means I square. You can write I square. Square root of I square means we get I. Simply here I square, that is equal to minus 1. I value, here we have minus 1. So write the square root of I square. Square root of I square means we get I. In this we get I. Square root of 10,000 means we get 100 divided by 2. So that is equal to minus 50, sorry, minus 10 that is equal to minus 10 plus or minus I 50. So these are the roots, minus 10 plus or minus I 50. So it is like alpha plus or minus IB. So complementary function is e power minus 10t, okay, e power minus 10t, okay, minus 10t into c1 cos 50t plus c2 sin 50t, c2 sin 50t. This is the complementary function. And then I want to find here particular integral. What, friends? Particular integral. Subheading particular integral. We get a 1 by 0.1 d square plus 2d plus 260, I think. And then let me check once. 0.1 d square plus 2d plus 260. Okay, right hand side is 100 sin 60t. 100 sin 60t. 100 sin 60t. That is equal to. We have trigonometry function. So replace d square by minus 60 square. 60 square, and that means 60 into 60. We get here 3600. Multiply with 0.1. Okay, then we get here 360, friends, here. So we get here 1 by we get minus 360 because we are replacing minus. Okay, minus 60 into 60. So minus 360 plus 2d plus 260 into 100 sine 60t, that is equal to 1 by minus 360 plus 260. So we get here 2d minus 100. Okay, 100 sine 60t. To get here d square, we are rationalizing the denominator, friends. What is rationalizing factor here? 2d plus 100. So 2d plus 100 by 2d plus 100, that is equal to 2d plus 100 upon a minus b into a plus b, 4d square, a square, that means 4d whole square, that we get a 4d square minus 100 square. 100 square means we get 10,000 into 100 sine 60t, 100 sine 60t. Again you replace, friends, here, that is equal to, and this time minus again 3600. Now you multiply 3600 into 4, 0 0 24 2, okay, 144 minus 140 minus 14400, friends. This value is minus 1. Now we have 10,000. So 10,000, we get 0 0 4 4 2. Okay, finally we get here both are minus 244 24400. So here we get here minus 1 by 24400. We have already 100 here, so write 100, and then we get a 2d. Multiply, friends, here 2 into derivative means sine derivative is cos 60t into again derivative of 60t is 60. Okay, plus 100 sine 60t, 100 sine 60t. Here 2 zeros are cancelled here. Okay, 2 zeros are cancelled here. If I multiply here 2 into 60 is 120. So we have 120 100. So we can take common 20, friends, 20. So that we get here minus 20 by 244 minus 20 by 244 minus 20 by 244. 3 2s are 6. 6 cos 60t, 6 cos 60t. Okay, and then plus 5 sin 60t, plus 5 sin 60t, that is equal to here 2 table, I think 4 table 5 times 6 4 are 24 1 61. So we get here minus 5 by 61 into 6 cos 60t plus, I think, plus, this is plus 5 sin 60t, bracket close. This is particular integral. Okay, this is particular integral. So here are finding q value, friends. So q that is equal to what is complementary function? E power minus 10t c1 cos 50t, e power minus 10t c1 cos 50t, okay, plus c2 sin 50t particular integral minus 5 by 61 6 cos 60t plus 5 sin 60t. Okay, so this is 3, friends, this is 3. Okay, now I want to find I value, friends. Okay, what is I? dq by dt, that is equal to I value is dq by dt, because to find C1 and C2 value, we need I value also. Actually we are finding here charge value, okay, charge we are finding, it is to find charge. For that finding C1 and C2 we need I value, friends. Here I, that is equal dq by dt. So derivative, simple derivative, say apply UV rule here, so e power minus 10t derivative of this, so simply minus 50 C1 sin, I write directly here, friends, so 50t, because the cos 50t derivative is minus sin 52 into 50, so we get minus 50 C1 sin 50t, plus here also same 50 C2 cos 50t minus derivative of this one, friends. We get here minus 10 e power minus 10t, okay, and then as it is C1 cos 50t plus C2 sin 50t, okay, C2 sin 50t, minus here minus 5 by 61, derivative of cos 60t is here 60 into 6, okay, right here 60 into 6 is 360, okay, we get here minus 360 sin 60t, okay, plus again 5 6 are 300, so 300 cos 60t, say this is 4, this is 4, given q of 0, that is equal to 0, that implies so here e power 0 value is 1, C1 cos 0 value is 1, so C1 sin 0 value is 0, so C1 minus cos 0 value is 1, so sin 0 value is 0, so finally I get here minus 5 into 6, 30 by 61, minus 30 by 61, C minus 30 by 61, so 0, that is equal to C1 minus 30 by 61, so I get here C1 as 30 by 61, now I of 0 is equal to 0, now second condition is I of 0, that is equal to 0, that implies clearly 0 here, that is equal to E of 0 is 1, so sin 0 value is 0, so here we get 50 C2, okay, 50 C2 minus e power 0 value is 1, so minus 10 cos 0 value is 1, sin 0 value is 0, so we get here minus 10 C1, okay, minus 10 C1, and then here sin 0 value is 0, cos 0 value is 1, so we have 300, so 300 into 5, 1500, so minus 1500 by 61, so minus 1500 by 61, we need here C2 value, so you take all these two terms to the left hand side, that means it can be written as 50 C2, that is equal to 10 into C1 value is 30 by 61, so 10 into 30 means 300, so it comes 300 by 61, friends, not it is 60, clearly 61 here, so 61 minus plus 1, friends, plus 1500 by 61, so that is equal to, the LCM is 61 here, 1500 plus 300, we get 1800, so 0 0 cancel here, 5 in 180, I think 3, okay, 15, 3, 6 5s are 30. So C2 that is equal to, we get here 36 by 61, 36 by 61 friends, 36 by 61. These are the C1, C2 values. Now what he says in the problem, determine the charge. Charge means we are finding Q value. They substitute this C1, C2 value in Q friends, in Q. Okay, then we get the required solution. So Q that is equal to here e power minus 10t, okay, e power minus 10t. C1 value is 30 by 61, I think, cos 50t, C2 value is 36 by 61 sin 50t, and then complementary function, particular integral, minus 5 by 61, 6 cos 60t, 6 cos 60t plus 5 sin 60t plus 5 sin 60t, which is the required solution of given problem. Once again friends, what he says, determine the charge. That means we are finding here Q value. For that, what I observe here, given resistors R, inductor L, capacitor C. So this is Lcr circuit. So first write Lcr circuit equation, L into d square q by dt square plus R into dq by dt plus q by c, that is equal to E. Okay. Now I recall one thing friends here. You treat this problem, electrical circuit problem, as a linear differential equation with constant coefficient. That means you are solving simply linear differential equation friends. You are assuming like that. మీరు linear differential equation solve చేస్తాను అనుకోని చేయండి. ఎలక్ట్రికల్ సర్క్యూట్ ఇది చాలా డిఫికల్ట్ అని మీరు అలా అసలు అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకోవద్దు, అలా ఇమాజిన్ కూడా చేసుకోవద్దండి. We are solving simply just here linear differential equation. Please remember. Now given L value, R value and C value here and E value also. And moreover he given two conditions here. I of 0 is equal to 0, Q of 0 is equal to 0. Simply I substitute all these things here in this equation 1. So this is 2. So what is complete solution here? Complementary function plus particular integral. So first I want to find complementary function. Symbolic form right here. And then auxiliary equation. You make the Q quotient is equal to 0. I apply some formulas here. Finally get minus 10 plus or minus I 50. So clearly complementary function is e power minus 10t c1 cos 50t plus c2 sin 50t. And then particular integral. So replace d square by minus 60 square. I simplified here. Finally I get 1 by 2d minus 100 into 160t. Now we want here, I want here d square. So rationalizing the denominator. What is rationalizing factor? 2d plus 100. So 2d plus 100 by 2d plus 100. Then I get in the denominator 4d square minus 10,000. Now I replace here minus 60 square. I simplified here. Okay. And then taking some common terms here, multiply with 2d plus 100. Okay. And then a common comes some factors here. Finally I get here minus 50 by 61, 6 cos 60t plus 5 sin 60t. Simply I add here complementary function of particular integral, I get Q value. Here problem is not over friends, because he given I of 0 that is equal to 0, Q of 0 that is equal to 0. That means we are finding here C1 and C2 values. Okay, for finding C1, C2 values we need I that is equal to dq by dt. I that is equal to dq by dt. So I simply I apply UV rule here, and then I also differentiate this one, I get this. Now I substitute I of 0 that is equal to 0 and Q of 0 that is equal to 0. First you substitute Q of 0 is equal to 0 first, always. So then I get here C1 values 30 by 61, and then I substitute I of 0 is equal to 0. Finally I substitute C1 value here, I get C2 as 36 by 61. Simply I substitute C1, C2 values in Q, we get the required charge in the circuit. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment box. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.